Good morning, my friends. Let's make some breakfast. We have 3 eggs, some cut veggies, pepper jack cheese, and sourdough bread. Let's do it. I might have to extend my stay for one night. I am supposed to check out on Thursday morning, then go to the conference and then just head home. But I think it will not be practical because early in the morning, checking out, bringing my car out of the garage, loading it up, putting it back in the garage, I think it is just going to be hassle. And also, I will have to drive in the evening. I don't mind, but I don't want to get home too late. So I might stay Thursday night and then just check out Friday morning and head home. I think I saw a toaster. Yeah, they have a toaster there too. Let's put some veggies in there. Some yellow peppers, some bell peppers. Oh, there are 3 colors. Okay. There you go. Is that enough, guys? Nice. Smells good. Looking good? All right. I'm not sure if I will be able to flip it. Anything else, guys, you want to put? How about paprika? Okay. I think I just might as well flip it. Like this. Always like this. It's okay. Cheese looks very nice. Okay, let's try. Okay, whatever. Doesn't look bad at all. There you go. We cannot do it without Yellowbird jalapeno hot sauce. Now it will make it good. This is Serrano, maybe tomorrow. Okay. Oops, that's big. Oh my God. Look at that.